everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about an item called moleskin for first aid kits. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please go ahead and click that little red button down there, then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a video. All right, moleskin. This is for your first aid kit, or your first aid cabinet, I should say. Sometimes you'll put a package in your first aid kit to take with you, but most often I find people just stick it in their cabinet with the cough drops and stuff like that because it's not something you use a lot of. You use Band-Aids a lot more, but moleskin is when you like you get a new pair of shoes and you instead of wearing them just a little bit of time to break them in, you wear it all day long, or you get a pair of new hiking boots and you go hiking in them, a mile or two or three, the first time you're wearing them. Get blisters, and that's what moleskin is for. If you're finding out you get as you're first out walking or whatever, and you're feeling a hot spot develop on your foot, stop, take your boot and sock off, and take a look. If you get a little red spot developing, you need to put some padding on it, like moleskin, to keep it from getting a blister. Now, if a blister's already starting to form, they have special ones to have, or you can just take the pads and cut a hole out so it'll go around it, so it builds up around that blister area and protects it from rubbing even more. And some people are probably going, moleskin? I've never heard of moleskin. Well, let's see if I can show it here. There we go. Moleskin. It comes in different packages. A little pad like this. Put it on the foot. You can trim it 4 different ways. You can have it where it goes on the side of the foot. All the places your foot's going to rub. And there we go. There's one with the hole cut out on it. All right. So that's moleskin. It can help save your feet, especially if you got to do a lot of walking where you're not used to it, or you're got a new pair of boots or shoes. It's very helpful. All right. So don't forget, add some moleskin to your first aid kit and first aid cabinet, because, hey, as far as I know, it may after 10 years, it may start to dry out the adhesive, but we've had it for, probably over 10 years for some of ours, and it's still as good as ever. All right. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep on prepping and building up your supplies. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.